Alright, so I've had people ask me, how do you harvest seeds from petunias? So here's a petunia plant that's seen better days, right? We've all seen our plants look like this before. If you look here, here's an old flower. But this right here, it's better from further away. That right there. Okay, right there. If you look, that's where the seeds will come out. So let me just put this here. You see all these little heads right there? Alright, here's one. It's hard to do with one hand. And inside it, you'll see all these little black dots. See the little black dots all over the counter? Those black dots, those are the petunia seeds. So as you look on here, each one of these little tiny balls, every single one is just loaded with seeds. Another one. See? And then when you open it, see all the seeds that came out of that one? That's it. Petunia seeds. So what I do is I cut all the heads into a little jar, so I don't get them all over my counter mainly. There's a jar. I'm not good at the holding the phone and the jar thing, but and then I squeeze them all open and then I shake them out from there. That's it. Easy peasy.